Hello, my name is Chris Osazerekato. Quickly, let me talk about building wealth in Nigeria. Building wealth in Nigeria requires far more than hard work and dedication. It also requires strategic relationships. In this video, I will be discussing the importance of building relationships in achieving financial success in Nigeria. From networking with like-minded individuals to forming strategic relationships and partnerships, I will be sharing actionable tips on how to leverage relationships to build wealth in Nigeria. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or you are just starting out business in Nigeria, in this video, I will be showing you how to use relationships and partnerships to build wealth wherever you find yourself in Nigeria. So, if you are ready to take your finances to the next level in 2025, be sure to watch this video to the very end. Now, I want to challenge myself and also challenge you to build genuine wealth through relationships in Nigeria and see if you can turn all your connections to cash. If you can turn the contacts on your phone contact list into cash. Connecting cash into wealth and connecting cash into other things like building your life, your business, and good relationships with other persons. So quickly today, let us talk about how to build wealth in Nigeria through relationships. Okay, so there are a few challenges in building wealth in Nigeria. First, you have the challenge of limited resources, and equally have the challenges of limited opportunities for partnership, or what we call relationship, or networking opportunities. So, with access to resources and access to good networks, you can build wealth in Nigeria. You can create personal finance, you can create finance for your organization, and you can create finance for your community. So the major challenge in building wealth in Nigeria through relationships is the limitation of resources and the limitation of access to networking opportunities. But think about it. Think about people like Aliko Dangote, who has created wealth in Nigeria. You will discover that they've been Aliko Dangote and other Nigerians who have actually amassed wealth in great amount, did it through networking, mentorship, and collaboration. Think about people like Wizkid and Davido, who have equally built wealth for themselves. Guys like Burna Boy, they did these things through networking, mentorship with their peers in the industry who has gone way ahead of them, and then collaboration. Okay, so if you are thinking about building wealth in 2025, this is my challenge to you. As you are planning to enter into 2025, I would encourage you not just to focus on hard work and dedication alone, but equally understand that from networking with people who have similar mindsets and like-mindedness with you, you can form strategic partnerships. You can form strategic alliances and strategic relationships that can enable you to know what they know, leverage on what they know, add value to what they know, and create wealth for yourself in the process. Okay, so I am happy that you have learned one or two things today about creating wealth through relationships. Remember, I said through networking, mentorship, and collaboration, you can create wealth like Aliko Dangote, like Tony Elumelu, like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, like Davido, like Okocha. Think of any Nigerian that you know is truly successful. Think about people like Oyedepo, Chris Oyakilome. Think about all these guys who have gone ahead of us, who have created wealth for themselves in Nigeria. You will discover that at the root of their wealth creation is effective networking, mentorship, and collaboration. And all these things have to do with strategic relationships. So I encourage you to share your experiences on the comment section. All right. I invite you to watch other videos in this channel that has to do with personal finance strategies. My name is Ekato Christian Asaze, and I hope you have learned something from the Real Talks Nigeria. Until I come your way again, subscribe to this channel, put your comments on this video, and then share this video. I guarantee you, we are not going to tell Facebook to stop you from sharing this content in your own video channel. God bless you, and I hope you are planning for 2025. Make sure you are 10 times better on a daily basis. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.